Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Life with Tay. Today I am making baked salmon and baked potatoes. Now first, I have my salmon in a pan. I cut up some lemons and I put the lemons up under the salmon. And then I have me some garlic cloves and onions and green onions that I chopped up, and I'm gonna put that in like just before that the salmon is done. But right now I'm going to make my marinade. I melted me some butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and red crushed peppers. And then next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, okay. Next, you guys, I'm gonna just put a little black pepper, not too much because I have crushed red peppers, so not even a whole teaspoon. Okay, you guys, I am going to put a whole teaspoon of parsley. Okay, now I'm going to put a tablespoon of honey. Actually, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay. Okay, you guys. Next, honey Dijon mustard. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of that. And then soy sauce. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, you guys. Now I'm going to mix this up very good. Okay, you guys, you have to make sure that you mix this very good for the glaze, so everything in here will be good and mixed in. As you guys can see. It's over so you guys can see it a little better. Okay. Now I have that good and mixed up. So my next step is I'm about to start laying my glaze over my salmon. rest of this over my salmon. Okay, as you guys can see, the marinade. And now I'm gonna set this in the oven for like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, here's some of my salmon when it's done. I just took it out. And next I gotta make the plates up, and I'm gonna show you guys that. Okay guys, here is my salmon and baked potatoes when they're done. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Life with Tay. Like and subscribe.